Hello guys, to print a variable in Python, just use the normal print statement with a text and then add a plus at the back of it and then call the variable like so. When we execute this, you see it writes down below in the console Peter and the value of the variable is also Peter. This works perfectly, but it looks a bit ugly, so let us delete this here and add an F in front of the string for formatted. The F stands for formatted. And then you can use the curly brackets inside of the string and then call the variable. And with this syntax, you can integrate the variable inlined into the string. When you run this little script, you see down below in the console, it looks exactly the same. However, the code doesn't look exactly the same. It looks way more cleaner, and that's the benefit of it. So that's why you should use that instead of the plus. We can also combine all the methods I explained before together. This would look a bit like this. And when we execute this, you see it prints the string in its whole beauty. However, I missed a few spaces there, so let's just fix this and rerun. And you see it's all chained together. So you can combine all of the methods together without any problems. However, if your colleague or someone has to read your code, they won't be happy. The best thing to do is just use the formatted string method and that should be fine. So yeah, you learned how to print variables inline of strings today. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next video, I will explain you how to fetch the user input from the console. So make sure to subscribe and not miss that one.